Hello everyone, this is Prinshu Parmar and welcome to new vlog. Today we are going to have some work. I have to submit a form for updating Aadhaar card till 10. So we will meet after 10 minutes. I have to go in our office. After that we will meet. I have came to update my Aadhaar card to Nagarpalika office of Kumari, but due to today's third Saturday, the office is closed. So I am going back. Like I was in rush with that because we have to submit that form for application before 10 a.m. But I was late. Like I have left from home in 9:50. So I'm again going back to home. As you can see, here it is a ground where Ravan Dahan, like the Dashera, used to celebrate. This is the ground, and this is Kumari. See, this is government English medium school. Earlier it was government Hindi medium school, but now it is newly constructed. This whole greenery and all that, and construction work is also going on. Reached my home and my cycle. So I have reached my home, and today I also have a right now I am having this jamun. And after some time there were also the marks of TB will come and I have to see 2:30, and I have came here for vaccination, but like only 6 people are there. We need 10 people, so they are telling 10 people are needed. I am the 6th one. I know one person who came, but who can come, but three people also need. So we are just waiting, and he is saying who will vaccinate us. He was saying like they are only available till 3. So I am just waiting for 3 o'clock. Then I will go to home. I will take another appointment, and yeah, that's it. Just waiting half an hour here. Then home, and that there's no one to get vaccinated here. So I have tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, whenever I got slot, I will again take appointment and hope for the best. Fingers crossed. So let's go back. Here is drizzling, and construction work is going on. So let's wait till for some time. And so this is Sanskritik Bhavan of Kumari, and here it is vaccination center. Some people are waiting from 12 o'clock, but I came here around 2 o'clock. So I've just waited for 30 minutes. I have to also fill air on my cycle. So let's go to cycle store and see is it opened or not. I got the shop opened, and the shopkeeper filled the air. Reached home, and only one work was completed. Like the air filled, there is to be filled in my cycle's tire, and today's 2 work is not done. Like first one was that for updating Aadhaar card, the application I have to submit, and the second one is the vaccination. I got a slot, but unfortunately I didn't get vaccinated. So yeah, here is my mother sitting.
I'm waiting for Prinshu. Then he not arrived very fastly, and the work is not done. Okay.
So that's it about this video. I don't know what is going on. Like today's date, there's nothing and interesting to show you. So I don't know. Bye bye. Second day I am going to again vaccinate because that day I am unable to. So let's go. So I am going to vaccination center. I have reached vaccination center. लाइन में खड़े हैं.
फर्स्ट डोज है ना? हाँ.
रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुका है. अभी अंदर जाते हैं. थोड़ा वेट कर रहे हैं. अभी आएगा चांस आएगी. भाई अभी अपन रुके हैं आधा घंटा, मतलब थोड़ा 5-10 मिनट बाद जाते हैं घर. चलते हैं घर. अभी 15-20 मिनट हो गया वेट किए. अभी करेक्ट 12 बज रहा है. तो चलो चलते हैं. कुमारी का वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर, वहाँ से एंट्रेंस है. यहाँ पे लग रहा है रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा है. अभी हम जा रहे हैं घर वापस. लगभग आधा 1 घंटा लगा आने में. 11 बजे निकला था घर से, ऑलमोस्ट 11 बजे. फिर अभी 12 बजे घर जा रहा हूँ वापस. मैं और वापस टाइम लैप्स शूट कर लेता हूँ. अभी कुछ शूट करने के लिए है नहीं. तो ये देखो, ये जो गार्डन है ये अभी नया नया बना है. अभी आएंगे यहाँ पे भी वीडियो बनाएंगे. ऐसे कुछ है नहीं दिखाने के लिए, लेकिन देखते हैं कभी आएंगे. पहुँच चुके अभी घर. तो अभी हम पहुँच चुके हैं घर और अभी हाथ पैर धो चुके हैं. फिर करते हैं थोड़ा सा आपसे बात. Finally my vaccination is done and it's Covaxin, and only like Covishield is not available in Chhattisgarh, so everyone is vaccinating only with Covaxin. So that's it, and it's my second day. I have gone there due to first day, as you have seen the first part of this video. So yeah, that's it. ये 2 गोली अपन को मिला है. बुखार है तो खाने के लिए, और ऐसे पता नहीं चलता बिल्कुल वैक्सीन का. मतलब ऐसे इंजेक्शन जो पहले लगवाते थे तो उसमें थोड़ा दर्द भी देता था, लेकिन इसमें तो बिल्कुल नहीं दिया. तो बस इतना ही था. अभी कुछ होगा, बुखार आएगा या फिर ऐसे बॉडी एक लगेगा तो बताते हैं आपको. फिर ये ब्लॉग फटाफट जाएगा अपने चैनल में. सो टुडे इज सेकेंड डे आफ्टर आई गेट वैक्सीनेटेड. और कल आफ्टर 24 आवर्स थोड़ा फीवर टाइप लगा था मुझे. तो मैंने जो टैबलेट दिए थे, शायद पैरासीटामोल थे, मैंने उसे खाया. फिर 2-3 घंटे आराम से दोपहर को आराम किया. उसके बाद सब नॉर्मल हो गया. मतलब मेरे को बॉडी पेन भी नहीं हुआ था. अब बस यही था मेरा एक्सपीरियंस. और ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलता है जब इंजेक्शन लगाते हैं तब, और बिल्कुल मतलब पता ही नहीं चलता है कि लगा भी इंजेक्शन. बाकी बस इतना ही है. अपना एक्सपीरियंस अब अच्छा ही था. और मुझे कोवैक्सीन लगी थी. अब शायद 1 महीने बाद वापस मैसेज आएगा तो वापस लगाएंगे सेकेंड डोज. तो बस ऐसा ही था मेरा एक्सपीरियंस. सो बाय. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई ब्लॉग.